Hmm. So hello everyone, welcome to our second video. So before proceeding to our second video, let's summarize what we have covered in our first video. So in first video, if you see that I have discussed about some aspect of my visions, that is about what we are going to do is we are finding the truth or God consciousness or ultimate potential of the human being. So in that journey, uh, there are some stages that we have to cover. Uh, First of all, we need to transcend our basic needs like physiological needs like water, sex, food, and then is our security needs, that is about employment, health, property, those all kinds of things, and then belonging needs, family, family, friends, emotional intimacy, and those things. And then is self respect, self esteem, reputation, and those things. And we then is life purpose, creating a meaningful life or adding the value in the world. And then is self actualization, and ultimate is self transcendence. So you can go directly to the path of self transcendence or awakening or those kinds of things. There are many of examples that tries to go directly to that level, to the awakening or finding the truth, but those are the rare peoples. And if you can try that path, but uh, for me, I have tried directly, but uh, I think it's not working. So I have created a path that is about transcending those basic needs. And we have the vision for the highest stage, highest potential. So we don't stuck on those levels, lower levels. Most of the peoples are stuck on those lower levels because they don't have the vision, and they don't have the knowledge or the awareness what is possible about what is possible about life, about or what is the highest potential. So we will keep in mind that the greater vision, or we will and we will transcending step by step, day by day, year by year, those basic needs consciously, mindfully. So I have created a techniques for me. Those are 120 plus techniques that are helping, uh, that I am gonna use to self actualize. So let's discuss about them. What are those techniques? So first of all, the first technique is about holistic thinking. Holistic thinking. Second one is curiosity. Third one is question everything or skepticism. Fourth one is open mindedness. Fifth one is taking various perspective like socialism, feminist, rationalism, neo-Marxism, or those kinds of things. Sixth one is metaphysics. Seventh one is epistemology, how we understand things, how we acquire knowledge. Eighth one is contemplation. Ninth one is self inquiry. 10th one is understanding self deception and biases. 11th one is ego defense mechanisms. 12th one is breaking social conditioning. 13 is intelligence. 14 is uniqueness and out of box thinking. 15 one is self actualization. 16 one is spiral dynamics. 17 lifelong learning and self improvement. 18 intuition and right brain thinking. 19 is understanding how mind works. 20 is creating juicy vision. 21 is look maxing. 22 is gym, nutrition and health. 23 is time spending in nature. 24 is social intelligence. 25th is sense of humor and playfulness. 26 is pick up and attracting women. 27 is communication skills. 28 is building confidence and self esteem. 29 is trauma healing. 30 is life purpose and living a meaningful life. 31 is hero's journey, how you can convert your life like you are the hero of your journey. 32 is living a passionate life, passion. 33 is understanding reality, understanding things, understanding minds. 34 is direct experience. 35th is shadow work. 36th is emotional mastery. 37 is conscious leadership. 38th is financial freedom, breaking wage slavery. 39th is understanding how actually business works. Deconstructing the assumptions, limitations, traps, and pitfalls of business, the big picture of business. 40 is a sexual mastery. 41 is finding authentic self, personality, strength, motivation, temperament. 42 is meditation techniques like mindful meditation, vipassana meditation, and all different kinds of meditation techniques. 43 is the breathing techniques, shamanic breathing or different kinds of breathing. 45th is yoga, hatha yoga, bhakti yoga, raja, kundalini, karma. 46 is tantra. 47 is kama sutra. 49 is mantra and chanting. 50 is astral projection. 51 is lucid dreaming. 52 is hypnosis. 53 is psychedelics, ayahuasca, 5-MeO, DMT, magic mushroom, marijuana. 54 is deconstructing reality. 55 is chi and energy work. 56 is understanding polarity, Shiv Shakti, yin yang, masculinity and femininity. 57 is body awareness. 58 is understanding cults. 59 is higher self and consciousness. 61 is God consciousness. 61 is non-duality. 62 is spirituality and infinite love or selflessness. 63 is get out of victim mindset. 64 is deconstructing reality as assumptions. 67th is 65 is understanding emotion. 66 is deconstructing science and rationalism. 67th is direct experience. 68th is insights, generating and deriving insights. 69th is history and biographies. 70 is psychology, how minds works. 71 is developmental psychology. 72 is social psychology. 73 is humanistic psychology. 74 is trans psychology. 75 is collective healing, Reiki. 76 is holistic healing. 77 is researching high quality resources. So what are those high quality resources? 78th is philosophy. 79th is vibrations. 780 is NLP, neuro linguistic program. 81 is symbolism. 82 is NFT, neurofeedback training. 83 is rewiring subconscious mind. 84 is non-conformity. 85 is taking 100% responsibility. 86 is flow psychology and engagement. 87 is cognitive psychology. 88 is consistency. 89 is CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. 90 is mental disorders, understanding mental disorders. 91 is attachment style and parenting. 92 is boundaries. 93 is principles of living a meaningful life. 94 is learn how to learn things, meta learning. 95 is creativity and art. 96 is team management and resource management. 97 is traveling and exploring cultures. 98 is clubs, party and nightlife. 99 is emotional intimacy. 100 is deep convo and close relationship. 101 is morality. 102 is self-respect. 103 is big picture of technicality. 104 is transcending survival. 105 is values. 106 is language and literature. 107 is AI and VR. 108 is scientific temperament. 109 is drawing and painting. 110 is cricket. 111 is various ideology and beliefs. 112 is self-love. 113 is understanding paradoxes and paradigms. 114 is happiness, understanding happiness. 115 is understanding pleasures. 116 is overcoming addictions. 117 is focus, building focus and concentration. 118 is productivity. 119 is Hollywood and modeling. Modeling, entertainment, social media, politics, investment, biology, ecology, media, marketing and education. 119 is war and conflict. 121 is religion and tradition. 122 is martial arts, Kalari-Payattu, Kung Fu and Jujutsu. 123 is storytelling and cinematography. 124 is writing. 125 is luxury and comfort. And 126 is song, music and guitar. So those are the all the techniques, all the things that is going to help me in the journey of self actualization. So that's it. Uh, it is a long list, but I don't think that have all the answers in our journey. So it is a great way to start the journey, but as we go further and further in this journey, we will find or discover new things, new techniques, and also we will find out some of the techniques that are not working for me, from those techniques, and we will find out, figure it out, what are those techniques. uh, so that's it. What we are going to discuss about our next video. We will I will help you to make that kind of vision or list for you, and we will figure out what is what are those things that match your personality, or those kinds of things, personality, talents, strengths. So we will figure out how you can make that kind of vision. So this is our first step to make the vision, the juice, the meaningful vision. And the second part is how much extent we are going to embody it. How? So second step is embodiment. So in further videos, I am going to discuss about how I am going to apply, how I'm going to do this techniques, in which order I am going to do. So I hope we will find out those things together. So so if you want to join the journey of self actualization with me, you can comment yes in the comment section, and yeah, we will self actualize together, and we will find out, and we will help each other. Thank you. Okay, bye.